Top 5 Best Sewing Machines for Beginners in 2020. Number 5. Brother HC 1850. With a feature-packed 130 stitches, this Brother HC 1850 machine will bring you hours of fun to your sewing and quilting projects. This is a great machine for quilters as it includes a detachable wide table. Ytrees Yuri loves it. Great value if you are looking for a computerized machine with maximum features and stitch function. Coming in number 4. Singer 7258. Like the Brother machines at number 1 on this list, this Singer 7258 stylist is a combination of features and affordability. Computerized, it has 100 stitches, one-step fully automated buttonholes and a metal interior frame. Ytrees Yuri loves it. The Singer 7258 is a great machine for the price, combining easy-to-use computerized sewing and loads of functions, metal interior frame. Coming in number 3. Singer 4411 Heavy Duty. The Singer 4411 is similar to the number 2 machine on this list but has 11 built-in stitches compared to the Singer Sewing 4432 23 built-in stitches. It also has a one-step fully automatic buttonhole function, which is highly recommended for those of you wanting to do buttonholes regularly. Ytrees Yuri loves it. Metal heavy-duty frame and its simplicity. Just the basics, so very little can go wrong at a little cheaper price than the Singer 4432. Coming in number 2. Singer 4432 Heavy Duty. With the words heavy duty in its title, the Singer Sewing 4432 was always bound to be on the best sewing machine list. It has fewer features than the Brother machine above, but with its superior metal interior frame, it is great for the everyday sewer or those looking to sew heavier fabrics. Ytrees Yuri loves it. This machine would be my pick in this price range. The Singer 4432 has a durable, heavy-duty body and internal metal frame and 32 stitch functions. Great for sewing leather, denim, and other heavy fabrics with ease. Coming in number 1. Brother CS 6000i. With nearly 6,500 reviews and a high Amazon rating, the Brother CS 6000i wins hands down every time as a perfect combination of features and very affordable price. With 60 stitch functions, it is a great machine if you are a beginner sewer or a more experienced sewer looking for an entry-level computerized machine. Ytrees Yuri loves it. Nothing gives you confidence like a product with such a large amount of positive reviews. This Brother machine has lots of features for a great price.